Hello fellow 928 owners and or mechanics. I need help identifying a sound. Anybody who's experienced this before or who knows what it is, please help me, or at least give an educated guess if you can. The first thing I want to point out is this noise only happens in reverse, and it only happens when it is cold. When the car is warmed up, it doesn't make any unusual noises in reverse at all. Now, even when it's cold or hot, it doesn't make any unusual noises in drive or any other gears, no matter how hard I drive it. It only does this when it's cold. And here, first, I will show you it reversing while it's warm so that you can believe me that it's not making this noise all the time. Anyway, here it goes. See if you can help me figure out what this noise is. Here it is reversing while it is warm. As you can see, everything works and sounds perfectly normal. Okay, now here's the same thing when the car is cold. It hasn't run for about 4 hours and it's only been idling for about 1 minute. There you go. To me, it sounds similar to, well, a roller coaster going up a chain lift. Let's do it one more time so you can get a clear listen to it. There it is. So this noise has been going on for about 3 months. It hasn't gotten any worse, but since I noticed the noise happening in reverse, I just don't reverse when it's cold. I back into my driveway when I get back, and that way when I pull out, I'm going forward when I'm leaving. Also, I forgot to mention, this is a 1984 Porsche 928S, an automatic, if that makes any difference. So please let me know in the comments below if you know what the noise might be. And also if you know how much of an emergency is to get it fixed. Because so far it's held out just fine and I drive the car normally and hard, no difference. Thank you for watching and thank you for helping if you can.